Banks warn the stock market sell-off may worsen, and global debt rose 4% in Q1. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Major Wall Street firms now warn that the ongoing market sell-off, which is on track for 7 consecutive weeks of losses, could get much worse. Deutsche Bank, Goldman Sachs and Bank of America warn of various levels of losses from a potential recession or stagflation. Recession fears spiked this week after major retailers revealed inflationary pressures are eating into quarterly profits, and the Federal Reserve pledged that it won't hesitate to keep raising interest rates until surging prices retreat. Global debt rose 4% to touch a new record of $305.3 trillion in Q1, led by corporate and government borrowing. The International Institute of Finance says the debt was driven by the world's 2 largest economies, China and the U.S. China posted a debt of $2.5 trillion, while the U.S. posted $1.8 trillion of debt. Abu Dhabi National Oil Company has made 3 new oil discoveries with 650 million barrels in place. ADNOC announced its first offshore natural gas discovery in February with 1.5 to 2 trillion standard cubic feet of raw gas in reserve. ADNOC drilling generated a 59% rise in Q1 net profit at $175 million. Lebanon has received an Interpol red notice for the arrest of ex-Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn, but it's unlikely to extradite him. The Interpol red notice is based on an arrest warrant issued by France last month. In 2019, France opened an investigation into Ghosn for parties he held at the Palace of Versailles, alleging that he used Renault funds to pay for the gatherings. Lebanese prosecutors will summon and question Ghosn by early next week. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest loser today is Bernard Arnault and family, down $2.5 billion with net wealth of $144.7 billion. Our second biggest loser today is logistics magnate Klaus Michael-Kühne, down $2.7 billion with net wealth of $42.6 billion. And our third place loser is Tencent's Ma Huateng, down $1.5 billion with net wealth of $37.1 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. A 1955 Mercedes-Benz, one of only 2 such versions in existence, has been auctioned off for $143 million, making it the world's most expensive car ever sold. Sotheby's says the 300 SLR Huguenot Coupe was sold at auction to a private collector. The vehicle sold for almost triple the previous record, which was set in 2018 by a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO that fetched over $48 million. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.